Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to sign up for X. First, open your web browser and go to the official X website. Look for the Sign Up or Register Now button, usually highlighted and easy to spot in the upper right-hand corner of the home page. Clicking this will take you to the first step of your registration. Make sure your internet connection is strong to avoid any interruptions during this quick process. Next, you'll need to provide some essential personal details. Carefully enter your full name, a current email address, and then create a strong, unique password. We recommend a password of at least 8 characters, combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols for maximum security. Double-check all the information you've entered to ensure it's completely accurate before moving forward. After submitting your details, you'll receive an email from X to verify your account. Please open your inbox and click the verification link provided. This crucial step confirms your email address and activates your account. If you don't see it within about 5 minutes, remember to check your spam or junk folder. Occasionally, you might also be prompted to set up 2-factor authentication for enhanced security. Congratulations! With your email verified, you can now log into your brand new X account using the email and password you just created. Take a moment to explore your personalized dashboard and get acquainted with all the features available. You might want to complete your profile by adding a picture or setting your preferences. You're all set to enjoy everything X has to offer right from the start.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.